Automatic headlights, or auto lights, use a light sensor to automatically turn on your low-beam headlights in low-light conditions. This feature is standard or optional on Mercedes-Benz W246, the B-Class models from 2011 to 2018. Auto lights improve safety and convenience by detecting low light and activating headlights. The system uses sensors and wiring to connect lighting components. A light sensor detects ambient conditions to trigger the headlights. The sensor is typically located near the rearview mirror or in the center console. The system integrates with turn signals and other vehicle lighting components. Turn signals and other lights work alongside the auto headlight system. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable this feature. The electrical system connects all components for seamless operation. Watch as the auto lights activate automatically. The photoelectric light sensor is typically located on the windshield near the rearview mirror. This sensor detects the ambient light level and signals the system to activate or deactivate the headlights. The photoelectric light sensor is typically located on the windshield near the rearview mirror. This diagram illustrates how the photoelectric sensor works with an emitter and receiver. This shows the typical placement of the sensor in ADAS vehicles near the rearview mirror. This sensor detects the ambient light level and signals the system to activate or deactivate the headlights. To access the lighting menu on your W246 B-Class, start with the proper vehicle position. First, ensure your car is in park or neutral with the key in accessory mode or higher. Next, use the buttons on the left side of your steering wheel. Press the menu button. Finally, use the scroll wheel to navigate through the menu options. You have successfully accessed the lighting menu. Scroll to Vehicle, then select Lighting or Lights, depending on your display language. Find Automatic Headlights and select it. Use the OK button to toggle the setting on or off. Confirm your selection and exit the menu. You can also quickly adjust headlight settings using the Headlight button on the left steering wheel cluster. Press and hold the button, which shows 3 lines with dots, to cycle through manual headlight modes. This gives you immediate control, but doesn't turn off the automatic headlights completely. If your auto lights aren't working, common issues include a dirty or degraded light sensor. The light sensor may be dirty or degraded. Try cleaning it gently with a soft cloth. If the problem persists, have your Mercedes-Benz dealer calibrate the sensor using diagnostic tools. A faulty body control module could also be the culprit. Some drivers prefer manual control for specific situations or to conserve battery. However, enabling auto lights can improve safety, especially in changing light conditions, and is legally required in some regions during certain times. Some drivers prefer manual control for specific situations or to conserve battery power. Enabling auto lights improves safety in changing light conditions by automatically activating headlights. Auto lights are legally required in some regions during certain times, such as daytime running lights. When considering LED upgrades for your Mercedes-Benz W246 auto light system, if you've upgraded to aftermarket LED headlights, ensure they are compatible with the auto light system. Some LEDs may require coating to function correctly. Note that modifications may void warranties. Regular maintenance of the system is vital for optimal functionality and safety.